name is Shishir. Today I am going to talk about apps from Gigabyte. It's a utility app. By using this app, you can update your BIOS and you can also overclock your components. By overclocking your components, you can get more performance when you are gaming or editing. Today I am going to talk about this app and I will show you guys from my desktop. So keep watching and please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below. And please comment what you think about this app. So guys, let's go to my desktop and I will show you guys from there. Keep watching. So guys, now I'm going to show you the app center. First I'm going to my start menu. From here I'm just looking for Gigabyte. Here it is, and I'm going to click over it, and as you can see there are lots of features here like BIOS, 3D OSD, EasyTune, Game Boost, G Cloud, Launch App Center, SIV, Smart Backup, Smart Time Clock, Smart Keyboard, Uninstall App Center, USB Blocker. But today I'm just going to talk about EasyTune and the App Center. So first I'm going to show you guys the App Center. So I'm going to click it. As you can see, I clicked App Center, and in this App Center there are lots of features like I showed before from my start menu, and there is 3D OSD, BIOS setup, USB blocker, cloud station, EasyTune, Game Boost, SIV, Smart Backup, Smart Time Clock, Smart Keyboard. But I'm just going to talk about only the EasyTune, the overclocking feature of this app. So let's go to this EasyTune feature. I'm just going to click it now, and I clicked it, and here it is. Oh sorry, I'll just click double, and from here you can see Gigabyte EasyTune and Smart Boost. By Smart Boost you can overclock your CPU from default to OC mode, but it's a preset OC mode, so you can get more performance by setting this up, but not extreme overclocking. Okay, you can get just more performance from your default setting. Now I'm going to click OC. As you can see, I clicked it, and now my PC is running at OC mode, and from 3.60 GHz I'm now running my PC at 3.8 GHz. Okay, and my Team Group Inc. memory is also running at 2666 megahertz. I'm going to show you this also, show you guys this also. So here it is, advanced CPU OC. You can see from here, and you can overclock your CPU by multiplying their voltage, by multiplying your CPU's voltage from here, as you can see. And advanced memory OC, I mean advanced DDR OC. Okay, from here there are options like those, you can see those, and you can choose one of them from here and it will run as its setting. Okay, and now I'm going to talk about other features like BIOS setup. By BIOS setup you can set up your BIOS from your Windows directly, like we are in the BIOS from our Windows. You can see that and now I'm going to close it. I closed it. And SIV, I was talking about fan controls. So SIV, by SIV you can control your fan's speed by default to performance full speed, from default to performance and full speed. As you can see, Smart Fan 5. Smart Fan 5 is also a nice feature. You can set your fan's speed from here. Fan speed from here. RPM fixed mode. Okay, Smart Fan. You can choose one of them. And system alert, system information. You can see my see full spec from here. Look at this. And also I'm going to show you guys another okay, let's go to App Center. I'm going to show you guys also the game boost. Okay, I'm going to game boost by clicking it. Okay, here it is. It already came, but I was just clicking game boost. It's a game boost. It's a game boost features of the App Center. By clicking go, it will boost your machine for gaming. I think. Look, it just cleared my background apps. Okay, OC mode. Where is App Center? Okay, Easy Tune and OC mode. Okay guys, that was it. And now I'm going to show you guys from where you can download it. From Gigabyte's website, you will have to go to service and support menu. Please wait, my net is slow, so be patient. From here, service and support. Okay, BIOS driver manual, file download and more. So I'm going to type my motherboard's model here and it will appear by itself. Look, here is my motherboard's model, so I'm going to click it. By clicking it, the website is going to my motherboard's utility apps menu. Now I am at my motherboard's menu. See, here is support, features, key features, specification, news, award, learn more, etc. But I'm not going to talk about those. I'm just looking for the utility option. Look, here it is, utility option. Look, I'm showing you guys utility option. I just click utility option. I already installed App Center, so I'm not going to download it or install it. I'm just showing you guys. From here you can download it. In the utility option, here it is, the App Center. Okay guys, you can download other features from here also. So that was it for now. I'm not going to talk about App Center much more. So guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Okay, and I hope it will help you. Bye.